Welcome back to the channel. If you love car tips, diagnostics, and mechanic secrets explained in simple ways, make sure you subscribe. Let's get straight into it. Imagine driving on the highway, and suddenly your car shuts off completely. No warning, no power, nothing. Most people panic, but the real problem might be one small sensor or bad connection. Today, I'll show you the main reasons why a car shuts down while driving, and how to spot them before it gets dangerous. 1. Faulty crankshaft sensor. The crankshaft sensor is one of the most important sensors in your engine. It tells the ECU the position and speed of the engine. When this sensor starts failing, the car may suddenly go off while driving. It may refuse to start immediately. Sometimes the RPM needle drops suddenly. One common sign is, the car works fine when cold, but shuts down after heating up. If this sensor fails completely, the engine can die instantly. 2. Fuel pump failure. The fuel pump sends fuel from the tank to the engine. If the pump is weak or overheating, the engine may struggle. The car jerks, then suddenly shuts off. Sometimes after waiting a few minutes, the car starts again. That's a big sign of a weak fuel pump. Listen carefully. If you turn the key on and don't hear the fuel pump humming from the backseat area, there may be a fuel delivery problem. 3. Ignition relay fault. A bad ignition relay can randomly cut power to the ECU or fuel system. This issue is tricky because the car may start normally, drive for some minutes, then suddenly switch off. Many mechanics replace sensors first without checking the relay. A cheap relay can cause expensive frustration. 4. Loose battery terminals. Sometimes the problem is not even serious. Loose battery terminals can disconnect power while driving, especially on rough roads. Signs include dashboard lights flickering, radio resetting, car dying suddenly. Always check battery terminals, ground wire connections, corrosion around the battery. 5. Wiring short circuit. Damaged wires can interrupt communication between sensors and the ECU. This can happen because of heat, rodents, bad previous repairs, water entering the wiring harness. A short circuit may make the car shut down randomly and confuse diagnostics. 6. Overheating. When an engine overheats badly, some cars automatically shut down to protect the engine. Never ignore high temperature gauge, coolant leaks, radiator fan problems. Driving an overheating engine can destroy the head gasket or engine completely. Quick advice section. If your car shuts down while driving, 1. Don't panic. 2. Move safely off the road. 3. Check battery terminals. 4. Scan for fault codes. 5. Don't keep forcing the engine to start repeatedly. Sometimes the problem is small. So tell me in the comments, has your car ever shut down while driving before? What was the actual problem? If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who drives daily. More mechanic tips and real diagnostics coming next.